Hello, grade 11s. Welcome to the continuation again of exponents. We're now going to be exploring exponent of zero, which is a simple law. Anything tells us when we revisit, I just got a bit excited. It tells you that if you have any value raised to the power of zero, it will be equals to 1. So let's check. Everything on number 1, everything on this bracket is raised to the power of what? Of 0. This is the 0 that we're talking is raised to the power of 0. That means everything that is inside the bracket, it's going to convert into what? Into 1. Then, secondly, we have x to the power of 0 all over x to the power of 2x. There is a law that will result here. I just want to show you something. For sure, you have seen it now. X to the power of 0, it gives you 1 over x to the power of 2x, which can also be written as x negative 2x. You still remember the previous one? Negative power. I believe that that is how they actually thingy, what do you call this? That is how they proved a negative power. That is my belief. So in this case, I have 7 x to the power of 0 is going to be 1. Then I have y3. Some people, they tend to make a mistake to say because there's 0, everything will cancel here. I'm not multiplying with 0. We have an exponent of 0. So be careful whenever you're doing that. 7 multiply 1, it's going to be 7. Therefore, you'll have y3 there. Then another example, it's if, let's say, for example, you had 3 over a, then you have b squared over 0. In this case, there is a law that I'm going to talk about on the next video, which I had left on the lesson, which says that this A will distribute. Same as the product, it is called the power of a quotient. As we had power of a product, it will be called power of a quotient. To say if you have a division inside a bracket raised to the power of something, that something will be distributed along the expressions inside the quotient. We'll talk about it on the next lesson. Here, anything that is inside the bracket, it is equals to what? To 1 if it is raised to the power of what? Of 0. That is just the simplicity of exponent of 0. So let's see each other on the next one, whereby power of a quotient.